Hi, this is Diego with SecureAuth Corporation, Director of Sales for the Western United States. I want to introduce you to SecureAuth, the industry's first identity enforcement platform. SecureAuth is a platform that integrates strong authentication, single sign-on, and identity management services for every VPN, cloud, and web application. We're going to take a look at the three functionalities that SecureAuth has to offer: a tokenless two-factor authentication experience, a single sign-on, and some of the identity management tools that we offer. Let's begin by showing you how an end user uses SecureAuth the first time he wants to protect a resource using tokenless two-factor authentication. To register for the SecureAuth Identity Enforcement Platform, I'm going to go ahead and enter my credentials. In this example, I'm going to be entering my username and password from the Active Directory. Once I go ahead and do so, the platform is going to probe my machine looking for my security credential. Since this is the first time that I'm registering from this machine, I don't have one. So I'm now being challenged as a user to prove my identity against the back-end data store. As you see here, I'm being presented with a menu of options of information that has been pulled out from that directory. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and select to have a phone call sent to me. Once I click Submit, the SecureAuth appliance is going to generate a 4-digit registration code, and through an out-of-band method, it's going to call me and speak that registration code to me. As you can hear, my phone is ringing, and when I answer it...
Hello, Diego. Your one-time password is 1270. Hello, Diego. Your one-time password is 12.
When I answer it, I'm going to receive the 4-digit registration code that was generated by the SecureAuth platform. Once I click Submit, what I've effectively done is I've proven that I'm the correct Diego from that back-end data store. And as you notice, my browser is being registered. What's actually occurring is a personal security credential is being stored on my machine, and I've been granted access to the application. So what I've actually done now is I've provisioned my machine to have a personal security credential stored so that I can use that on all subsequent logons. So let's take a look at what the experience looks like. With the personal security credential in place, I now have a user experience that has no friction. Once again, I enter my username, my password. This time, SecureAuth is going to interrogate my machine and find the personal security credential, thereby granting me access with a tokenless two-factor authentication experience. For me as an end user, it looks like simple username and password, but what's really happening, transparently to me of course, is that a two-factor, two-way authentication of the client side and the server side was established. Let's take a look at that one last time. For as long as I have a valid security credential, my experience is simple username and password.